Inspired by spirit animals and steeped in our love for the wilderness, BERIC's HOPI-LINE knives are the perfect companions to help you through your daily life. Be it hiking the trails or navigating the urban jungle, we conceived and designed each knife to serve a specialized purpose and make sure the values and temperament of each totem animal are imprinted on their blades. Bear is an EDC and mini kitchen knife. The perfect food pre-companion to come back stronger and fearless, just like a bear. Eagle is the perfect EDC and unpacking knife. Be it a parcel or a gift box, its sharp and strong blade, just like an eagle's beak, will surprise you. Wolf is the ultimate EDC and outdoor knife. Designed to be the trustworthy and reliable companion you need when hiking the trails, just like a wolf to its pack. Snake is the ideal EDC all-purpose knife, imbued with the snake's adaptive spirit. It'll help you through your daily adventures. BERIC Knives stainless steel gives optimal corrosion resistance. Their ergonomic shape and clean, smooth finish feel good in the hand. Pocket or neck knife, you make the decision. We supply the vegetable tan Tuscan leather sheath and cord. Every set comes in a customized, eco-friendly cardboard package. The first line of BERIC's knives blends traditional wisdom with Italian design, creativity, and century-long knife-making expertise. BERIC Knives, we're just getting started.